Hello, welcome to Math Problem of the Day, and today is April 15th, 2020. Let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. Sorry, that got a little squeezed out. Sorry, guys. All right, so here's our problems of the day for today. I'm going to lower it a little bit. And what we're going to work on today is we have a problem at the top, and then we have some review questions here. So first, Jake's soccer practice begins at 3:20 p.m. and lasts for an hour and a half. It takes him 25 minutes to change clothes and get home. If dinner is at 6:30 p.m., Jake has 1 hour and blank minutes to practice his piano before dinner. So we need to think about how much time Jake will be practicing his piano. Now for review, round the following numbers: 10,038 to the nearest 10, 67,392 to the nearest 100, 82,180 to the nearest 1,000, and 24,957 to the nearest 10,000. All right, have fun. I'm going to put you on pause and we'll be back to go over our answers. All right, guys, I'm back and it's time for our problem of the day. So Jake's soccer practice begins at 3:20 p.m. and lasts for an hour and a half. So what I've decided to do is have a timeline here. So Jake's soccer practice starts at 3:20, and sorry, I'm using my pen with my mouse pad and it's hard to write like that, so I just try my best. Okay, and his soccer practice lasts an hour and a half. So if I make a jump here for an hour, so I'm going to write 1 hour, 1H, I'm just going to say, and then that would be 4:20, right? Correct. 4:20 is 1 hour. And then I need to add a half hour. Whoop. So then I'm going to make a little jump here. So that's 30 minutes, right? Because an hour is 60 minutes and a half hour is 30 minutes. So then I'd be up to, I'm going to just raise this up here if you don't mind because I'm running out of space. For what? 450. You are correct. 450. It just takes me a while to write it. Okay. So Jake's soccer practice began at 3:20 and lasts for an hour and a half. So it's 3:20 to 4:50. We figured that out. But it takes him 25 minutes to change clothes and go home. Oops. 25 minutes. So he's already at 4:50. We've got to add 25 and make a little jump here for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. So 4:50 plus 25 minutes. If we add 10 minutes, we get to 5 o'clock. And then so we'd still need 15 more. So it's 5:15 by the time he changes clothes. This is none of my business, but he seems like he's kind of, what is he, goofing around? Not changing very fast or what? Okay, so 25 minutes to change clothes and go home. If dinner is at 6:30, Jake has 1 hour and blank minutes to practice piano before dinner. Oh, here we go. So it's 5:15 and dinner is right here at 6:30, right guys? That's dinner. Dinner, time to eat, 6:30. So I've got to figure out what is this period right here because this is piano time, okay? Well, 5:15 to 6:15, 5:15 to 6:15, that is 1 hour, right? Again, sorry about my writing here. That's 1 hour again, okay? Yow! Okay, 1 hour. Now, from 6:15 to 6:30, that's an additional boop, 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 boop. That is 15 minutes, okay? So when I go back to my question, Jake has 1 hour and here, this is where I write it, 15 minutes to practice his piano before dinner. All right? Okay, nice. All right, so now I'm looking down here at the review. It says round the following numbers. So I'm going to round 10,038 to the nearest 10. We know we have the ones, tens, so the 3 right here is in the tens place. So we're going to round it to the nearest 10. So we have 38. Does that round to closer to 30 or does it round closer to 40? It's 40. So rounding 10,038 to the nearest 10 is actually going to be 10,040. 10,040. Next we have 67,392 and we're rounding to the nearest 100. So the 100 is the 3 here. So then I look to the next digit over, which is in the tens place, and that's a 9. So when we have 5 or more, we round up. So 67,392 rounds to 67,400. Now we need to round 82,180 to the nearest thousand. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. There it is right there, the 2. Is 82,180 closer to 80,000 or closer to 90,000? You are correct. It's closer to 80,000. So this will be 80,000. Now, okay everyone, so I'm rounding 24,957 to the nearest 10,000. 10,000. So I have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So it's 24,000. Oh my goodness, I just realized something, guys. I rounded this one, 82,180, to the nearest 10,000. You must be saying, Mrs. Ovitz, we noticed you did something wrong and you're absolutely correct. But now, of course, since I have my marker here, it's not letting me fix it. So 82,180 rounded to the nearest thousand is 82,000. I'm just going to type that out. Sorry, guys. My kids are running around here and they're distracting me, so I apologize. But that's kind of like the new norm with being a teacher and a parent at the same time. So 82,180 rounds to the nearest thousand, 82,000. So I apologize. Next I have to round 24,957 to the nearest 10,000. So it's either going to be 20,000 or 30,000. And although it's close, it's going to be rounding to 20,000. 20,000 is where it rounds. Okay, thanks. I hope you're having a great day, and I apologize again for my mistakes. But it just goes to show that even us teachers are humans, right? I hope you're having a great day. Bye.